It's been a long day. Thank you, Sky. Touching me. And I tell you, kakanta ako guys pag naka 5 star na ako. Gusto niyo ba ako marinig kumanta? One-way ticket. Hi, Ken Ken. Shall we po? Amir. Hello, Amir. Indra. Hi, Chris. Nila Kagos. Hi, Dennis. Ken. Evan. So, yung pa-road star, ano tayo? Pa 5 star tayo. 5 star chicken joy. Hi, Leo. Welcome, Leo. Wala na naman akong admin. As usual, wala na naman. Piling ko yung mga admin ko tinatamad na magbantay sa akin kasi ang hirap ko daw bantayan. Alfredo Trajan. Thank you so much. Mag-follow lang kayo guys. Walang bayad yan. Ayaw na nila sa akin magbantay. It's been a long day without you, friend. And I tell you about it. Hi, Clayford. Thank you, Jahed Hassan. Thank you so much. Hi, Randy. Hi, Sandy. Thank you. Di ko mabasa yung name mo. Ano ba name mo? Ano ba yan? In Czech, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Philippines. Hi, Kashif. Optimus. Andawal Boys. Shall we po? MK. Dongwong Wapu. Hello, guys. Grabe, ang taas ng energy, ha? Taas naman ang energy mo, sis. Wala ng pimples. Without you, my friend. Ngiti ka ko. Kumot ka na lang. Hi, Light. Welcome back. I tell you all the friends you like it. Hi, Charlie. Come a long way from where we began. Hi, Zilong. Charlie Zilong. And I tell you, wait lang guys. Wanna see you again. Baka ano, ito yan. Yun, nasan yung charger ko? Nakita mo? Ha? Saan? Where's my charger? The charger is missing. Let me see you again. Thank you, Ian. Ian ba yun? Thank you, Ian. Thank you sa follow, guys. Wait lang ha. Standby lang kayo dyan. Ayusin natin to. When I see you again. Nawala na. Sorry. Oops. Hi, Kyle, Zyril, Anez. Hi, Anez. Silva. Shall we, Silva? Thank you so much. Good afternoon, beautiful teacher. I remember. Good afternoon. Thank you sa follow. Hi, Mi.